Now is my screen is visible to all? Please mention in the chat box. Okay. Okay. Ubuntu will start. Okay. First of all, before going to implementation part, means little bit implementation related to assignment. First of all, we'll discuss the assignment as mentioned in your syllabus. Syllabus, DPMS. Just a minute. Okay.
Already procured around 300 around 300 servers. So, and most of the time, what we are dealing with 74 CPU and 2 GB RAM. So,
Okay. Now is it visible now, everybody? So in your LP2 there is a TOC, OS, and DBMS, right? So in DBMS, am I audible, right? Am I audible, no? Right. Okay. So in DBMS database management system, you have around 9 assignments. Okay, total. Sorry, 10 assignments are there. Okay. So we'll start first of all just introductory part about your DBMS assignments. Okay. So in first assignment, you need to be create DDL, that is the database creation, database table creation. Okay, means everything that's schema related. Yes, am I audible? No? Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first assignments is related to DDL, means creation of your all the schemas. Okay, under that you just create firstly your database, then tables. Okay, but only you are creating the table, blank table is not the meaning. Na? So the second assignment is you need to be add some data, right? So first and second assignments will start parallelly. Okay, DDL and DML commands. So first assignment that creating database tables, then view, we will apply the view as today we discussed that virtually you can just fetch the data. Next, indexing sequence synonyms. Okay, so that all the things are in a first assignment. Second assignment is related to DML commands, where you can just insert the data, update the data, delete the data. Okay, so and using some having clause where clause are there, set operators if required some conditions. Okay, you can apply there. So it's a combination of first and second assignment is parallelly we start in a first session itself. Okay, so this is the first and second assignment, DDL and DML. Third assignment is design at least 10 SQL queries for the suitable database application using DML statement, all types of join. Okay, so we have already gone through that join in array operation, left join, right join, inner join. Okay, so here is the join operation. Well, once we reach up to that, okay, we'll definitely discuss that join firstly, then execute this assignment. So subquery will be the part and view also there. Fourth assignment is related to your PLSQL, that is the programming language or a procedural language we bolte हैं उसे. Means ultimately we just write the some programs. Okay, so procedural language in SQL, structure query language, we just implement here as a some implicit and explicit cursor. So cursor का टॉपिक जैसे ही हमारा क्लासरूम सेशन में होता है, we'll start the assignments cursor and trigger. So trigger I think next assignment है आपकी, no, yeah, sixth assignment is trigger. Trigger and cursor parallelly will start. The fourth one is the cursor and sixth one is the trigger. Fifth one is the stored procedure related है, means again it's one kind of PLSQL जैसे start होता है वैसे ही हम ये start हो जाएगा आपका. So everything is in a second unit itself. Okay, join भी आपको second unit में ही पढ़ना है. Cursor trigger I think in the third unit, but fifth assignment is PLSQL related discussion in a second unit itself at the end. Okay, so there is some application is given to you. You just apply that application, apply the stored procedure, cursor, and trigger in an individual assignment. 7th, 8th, and 9 are related to your advanced database system. Okay, that is 7th is the MongoDB query related, that is CRUD operation design and development. Means CRUD operation जैसे आप SQL में अभी स्टार्ट करने वाले हो टेबल क्रिएशन, अपडेशन, डिलीशन, वैसे ही मोंगो में क्रिएट, अपडेट, डिलीट ये आपके क्रूड ऑपरेशन है. सो अदे मोंगो में हम वो करने वाले हैं क्रूड ऑपरेशन, मीन्स क्रिएट, अपडेट, डिलीट ऑपरेशंस. नेक्स्ट 8 assignment is your aggregation and indexing related. Okay, so once the concept will cover up in a classroom session, or depends that I will show you the implementation itself in a classroom session. Okay, then 9th one is the MapReduce. Again, it is the MongoDB related. And last one is the connectivity, that is the Java with that is MySQL database connectivity with the Java. Okay, so here we can just insert, update, delete with using some ODBC JDBC connections. Okay, so this is the complete 10th assignments here in a here in a database management system. So every assignment is not a separately. Okay, it's connected with the second assignment. Means next assignment is already connected. So keep your first time whatever database you are creating for first assignment, that keep it as it is for the next assignment. For the next assignment means every assignment is required some database. So one time you need to be create any database. Be careful that if you are choosing student database or employee database, keep it as it is. Okay, because next time you require the similar type of database required and perform some operations. अगर क्लास कॉलेज में होते तो हम एक ही सिस्टम पे बिठाते हैं हर बच्चे को, क्योंकि कॉलेज के सिस्टम पे हम परफॉर्म करते हैं उस टाइम पे. बट अभी आपके पास लैपटॉप है, आपके पास आपका खुद का पीसी है, सो यू जस्ट कीप द सिंगल डेटाबेस एंड स्टिक इट इनटू दैट अप टू द एंड. ओके, अप टू एट एसक्यूएल के जब तक आपके चलने वाले हैं प्रोग्रामिंग तब तक. मोंगो के लिए सेपरेटली हम मोंगो के वक्त देखेंगे, राइट. So these are the total 10 assignments for your throughout this semester to DBMS practical. Okay, so today we have already discussed the DDL DML commands. Okay, so we'll start very basic things about create, update, delete related things. Okay. Hope everybody have some Ubuntu, okay, in your laptop or a Fedora. एनीथिंग इज क्योंकि कॉलेज में अभी उबंटू और फेडोरा ही है, उसके ऊपर ही हमने वर्कआउट किए हैं. ओके, नाउ हाउ अगेन द स्टार्ट ऑफ योर MySQL in your system. Just go to your root login, sudo su. Okay, if you are already in root login, then there is no need to be switched. Okay, now here you just check that in your Ubuntu, in your operating system, MySQL space dash dash version. Okay, Okay, if it is available, then you will get the some version. Okay, MySQL version 14.14. Okay, it's my Ubuntu having that MySQL already. Okay, again it's by default available in your Ubuntu installation itself. Okay, now next is to start your MySQL in your system. Just type MySQL dash u root dash p. Okay, you required the password. Your root password is required here. So now here is the prompt you will get like a MySQL. Okay, now here you can start your SQL query, direct typing the commands. Okay, so this is the simple things for your Ubuntu starting. Sorry, oh, MySQL starting. Okay, so very first one, show show databases is my first command to start anything. Okay, so now in my as I have already previously taken that subject. Okay, I have already gone through this thing, so it's available in my system, all the databases. Okay, but still I will perform the new database and new one tables. Okay, so these are my databases which are available. Similarly, you can also check if there is a databases are available in your system. You can just type it, that is show databases, right? So if I just want to if I just want to create new database, so how I create database. Okay, database name. So for example, अभी list में से जो नहीं है वो देखना है मुझे. So I just give the database name employee. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Let me confirm. Employee 1. Okay. So this is my create database name. Okay. So it's a simple command. Give the semicolon. Okay. So you will get, once your query is correctly written, okay, you will get the query okay. One row is affected means one row is created. It is already query is fired. Okay. Now I just check that is it my database is created or not. So show databases again. You can see that employee 1 database is available, right? Am I audible now? Otherwise I am only think so. Okay. Am I audible? Please let me confirm in chat box. Is my Ubuntu practicals already showing to you implementation? Is it visible now? Okay. 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 Good. Thank you. So you have fired the query, very first one, to check the databases. If it is available, you can use that. Otherwise, you can create. Now my database is done. Employee 1. Okay. So now I want to use that database. Use means what? You just use that database, and further you just add the new what say tables in that database. Okay. So oh shit. Okay. Okay. So okay. So the next command is use employee 1. Okay, so use and that database name where you are just further add the new tables and everything. Okay, just mention that is every time. Once you just change, your message will be like the database change. Okay, so for example, if I just use that use a bank, okay, which is available in my db. So if I just put like this, okay, so I will get the database change. Now whatever I table created, it is going in this bank database itself. Okay, but right now I am using the employee database, and their employee database is already empty, and will create the every tables in that employee database itself. Okay, so in this way you just start your DDL starting from creation of databases. Okay, that means a database in your system. Next, we'll create the one table inside the employee database. So what is the command? Create table, table name, that is the emp1. Okay, so giving the naming convention emp1 in bracket, you just mention your whatever the what we can say attributes are available in your database. Okay, say for example eid is varchar. Okay, giving the size as 10 comma. Next, f name, you just mention full. Okay, I am giving the short form here, varchar, sorry, char. Okay, please mention the size as 20 comma l name, again char, give the size 20. Okay, then you can just add AEERESS address space char, or we can just add the varchar also, because address might be sometimes there is a flat number with some alphabets, right? So right now I'm just giving the varchar only. Okay, and city might be char only, 20. Okay, so here is my complete query. By creating the table, create table emp1 eid varchar comma f name character 20, l name character 20, address character 20, city character 20, like that. Okay, query okay. uh, Zero row affected. Right now table is empty, only the things are created here, that your table is created, that's it. Okay, now we'll add something here. Okay, first of all I just fire the query. Insert into, okay, insert into table name emp1, right, in bracket. Now here you can mention the whatever the attributes you have, otherwise you can just give the value, it's sufficient. Okay, so mentioning that attributes. Okay, just a minute. Okay, sorry for the interrupt. Okay, okay. Now insert into emp, right, emp e id we have, right. Next, what we have, that is f underscore name comma L underscore name comma address comma city. Okay, now mentioning that values. Okay, values. Now give your values here as first is employee ID. So you can just give employee ID as a varchar. So mentioning like 123 123 comma now f name anything, say for example कब mention कर देती हो स्वाति राउत कॉमा डबल कोट में कुछ तो भी एड्रेस कॉमा और सिटी पुणे. Okay, so here I just add the inserting into the employee one f name, l name, address, city with some values. Values equals to 1 2 3 Swati Pune I think. So okay, the query like this you can insert it first row. Now up arrow just change the value with some 1 2 3 की जगह पर 1 2 4 कर देती हूँ मैं. यहाँ पे स्वाति की जगह राहुल mentioning like मेहता बाकी ओके है. फिर से मैं अप एरो करके कुछ चेंजेस करती हूँ. यहाँ पे नागपुर कोहली विराट कुछ भी नाम डालो अभी फिलहाल. विराट उसका एम्प्लॉय आईडी कुछ तो भी 5 और एक दूसरी एंट्री कर देती हूँ यहाँ पे पुणे अगेन और कुछ तो भी नाम बताओ कौन है इसमें. मेहुल वाघ. ठीक है, वाघ वाघ का नाम दिखा भी मुझे मेहुल और उसका नंबर देते हैं 6. ठीक है, तो इतनी मेरी एंट्री हो गई है 5 एंट्रीज. सो इन दिस वे यू जस्ट ऐड द 10 records because in your I think in your assignment there is total 10 record you must maintain. Yeah, see. Okay, design at least 10 SQL queries. Okay, to related to your application. Have select update delete operations. Okay, so maintain that 10 आपको SQL query insert करना है. Okay, then update select statement everything you need to be cover up. Okay, so अभी मैंने यहाँ पे 4-5 ही डाले हैं. आप you just be ready. Okay, for that purpose. Okay, now what next? Now you need to be check. You need to be check that is it everything is set there or not. So select star from EMP1. So here is your complete database. Okay, so fetching whatever you have inserted in your database comes as it is. Okay, so understood. These are the DDL and DML related things. Okay, now the next is the rename, alter, delete, drop, view, index, synonyms. These are the next lot. First of all, you just play with like this. Okay, create, update, delete, everything you need to be do. Okay, and parallelly I will share with you the this PPT which is related to this assignment. Okay, that today we have already discussed the things. Okay, so parallelly you can just fire the query accordingly. Okay, so for example now I just alter the table. Okay, अब बहुत सारे कमांड्स है आपके पास. ये ड्रॉप का भी है ऑप्शन, ट्रंकेट का भी ऑप्शन है, रीनेम का भी ऑप्शन है, व्यू, index, drop index, like that. Okay, so once you just reach to this level, okay, in your assignment related, you can fire the queries other than this. Okay. So say for example, alter table name emp1, add, right? I'm just altering the table, add designation, oh, sorry क्या लिखा मैंने, add designation, ओके, उसका हम क्या बोल देते हैं और उसका डेटा 20 में सेट करते हैं, स्टार cell alter table emp1 add designation char fire. Okay, now check that is it my table is having the value right now. There is no as such value, right? So it's keep it as a null, right? So your designation is add. Okay, चलो ठीक है. Okay, so this is in this way you just try alter ddl command, okay, then dml command drop table भी कर सकते हो. अभी मैं ड्रॉप भी कर देती हूँ ये टेबल, ड्रॉप table name emp1, but once I just drop this table, I will not fetch again any data. So I will start from starting point. So I will not drop right now. Okay, rename table name भी कर सकते हो आप. व्यू, क्रिएट व्यू, व्यू का हम सेपरेटली लेंगे क्योंकि उसके लिए सेपरेट थिंग्स इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, क्रिएट से फॉर एग्जांपल जस्ट ट्राई क्रिएट व्यू, create view as a e से फॉर एग्जांपल का कुछ तो भी लिखना है मुझे, emp2 से फॉर एग्जांपल व्यू नेम आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो. क्रिएट व्यू emp2 ads. ओके, okay. So I will not drop this table, but will create the one view as emp2 as. So create view emp2, okay, create means नाम ही दिया अभी तक हमने as. अभी हमें सिलेक्शन करना है कि किसका व्यू चाहिए. So select f name, make sure your attribute name f name, l name, ओके, फर्स्ट नेम एंड लास्ट नेम का व्यू चाहिए फ्रॉम emp1. यहाँ में से निकालना है मीन्स फ्रॉम emp1 से, राइट. सो व्यू नेम है मेरा emp2 एंड मुझे व्यू चाहिए मीन्स उस व्यू मीन्स क्या, पेज वर्चुअली दैट फर्स्ट नेम एंड लास्ट नेम ओनली. ओके, सो विल ट्राई. सो व्यू इज क्रिएटेड. Okay, now view is created. Now we'll fire the query. Select start from emp2 as a select view. I think I forget at view, I think selection. What is the command to see the view data? Anyone recall at the morning? Whatever I just explained to you. Final PPT. Okay, indexing done. Dropping. Yeah. Create view product as select product ID, product name. Then updating not required. I want to be check that view. Only creation is done. Select product. Okay, let me try how to check the view. Okay. Select star from EMP2. I think it's not workable, but still I just okay. Yeah, it's workable. Okay. Select star from EMP2, first name, last name. So it's a temporary virtual set, first name, last name of their view. Okay. So restricted that view is a temporary, but whatever you are fetching your data from the table and creating the new table, that will be the permanent. Okay. So in this way, view creation, view checking the view, updating, you can updation is also we can perform here because we have already morning time we can see that dropping the view, updating the view, okay, as per the column name and condition like that. Okay. Then indexing is there. Indexing will separately, you can just try it afterwards. First of all, try at least up till now. Okay. Drop index, indexing. Then इसको भी हम drop कर सकते हैं view को. View को drop करना है यानी simple command है. That is drop view name. Drop view name क्या है आपका EMP2 semicolon. So one will affected. So now again you can just try, you will get the error, right? So your view is not exist. You just try. In this way you can just try the commands DDL and DML. Clear everybody? So ऐसे ही आपको सभी assignment submit करनी है. Whatever you perform the codes, okay, you need to be submit the everything in a lab practice. Hello, am I audible now? Where is the meeting? Yeah. Clear everybody? So first two assignments parallelly start. This is the complete first two assignment related discussion. Okay. DDL and DML. Try as much as possible that DDL create table, create a database. Okay. Then update, delete, modify, modification, everything. Okay. एक हाथ दूसरा modify करके दिखाओ, एक हाथ दूसरा add करके दिखाओ उसमें. Okay. Then adding with the this view. Okay. सीक्वेंस सिनोनिम्स फिलहाल वेट में रखो क्योंकि वो ओरेकल में होता है. सिनोनिम्स आई थिंक इन ओरेकल. ओके, इट्स नॉट इन उबंटू बट विल ट्राई. ओके, एंड दिस इज ट्रंकेटिंग, रिनेमिंग, छोटे छोटे ऑपरेशंस है. ओके, so you can just try it at your own. Parallelly start your DBMSL first and two assignments. Okay, again the submission will be on online GDB probably if possible. Okay, anything clear everybody? Only Vaishnav is telling to me that yes ma'am clear, but other people clear? Yuvraj, Sriraj, Nikhil, Pranav, Mehul. Yeah, okay. I will share the this recording also. Recording is already a drive link is there. Okay, so I will share the drive link. Old and news, all the updates you will get in that drive itself. Okay, so just a minute, I'll share the attendance. Stop. Give your attendance, then you can leave. Okay, good. Is there any D3, DBMSL, D1? No, that is, just a minute. Okay, this is not D3. This is D3 batch, no? D3 batch, DBMSL purpose. Okay. Now you just give the attendance. Yeah, welcome everybody.